Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, in today's lesson we will learn about the mitochondria. Dear students, different organelles of the cell perform specific function which are essential for the cell survival. One of the most important organelles of the cell is the mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell and are only present in the eukaryotic cells. As the name suggests, the main function of the mitochondria is to generate energy in the form of ATP for various cells' activities. Come, let's learn about the structure of the eukaryotic mitochondria in this module. At the end of this module, we will be able to describe the structure of the mitochondria. Next is the mitochondria overview. Mitochondria are membrane-bounded organelles and one of the largest organelles found in the cytoplasm. They were first identified by the German biologist, which were named as the Richard Altman in 1840. The name mitochondria was coined by the Carol Benda in 1898. Mitochondria change shape rapidly. Therefore, the mitochondria may appear spherical or tubular in shape. The number of mitochondria also varies from 1 to several thousand depending upon the cell's energy requirement. Mitochondria are in the constant motion inside the cell. They tend to move to the region of the higher energy requirement and undergoes repeated rounds of fusion and fission. The mitochondria have their own DNA and own machinery for protein synthesis. They multiply by the process of fusion just like the bacteria. Now we will talk about the general structure of the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the membrane-bounded organelles and range from 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter. Mitochondria are made up of the outer and the inner membrane. The membrane is composed of the phospholipid bilayer and the protein. The outer membrane contains a large number of proteins called the porins, which allows diffusion of the molecules from outside of the membrane to the inner side. The space between the outer and the inner membrane is known as the intermembrane space. The intermembrane protein contains the several proteins such as the cytochrome C and the complex B, which plays roles in the electron transport chain. The inner membrane of the mitochondria are thrown into the number of folds called the cristae. The cristae increase the surface area of the membrane and provide a large space for the biochemical reactions to take place. The number of cristae is not constant and vary according to the energy requirement. Cristae are studded with the many proteins that are involved in the electron transport chain and the ATP synthesis. The most important are the complex 1 NADH dehydrogenase, complex 2 succinate dehydrogenase, complex 3 cytochrome BC1, complex 4 cytochrome oxidase, and F0 and F1 portion of ATP synthase enzyme protein. The space enclosed by the inner membrane is known as the matrix. The matrix contains highly concentrated mixture of the hundreds of enzymes required for ATP cycle or the TCA cycle, F1 portion of ATP synthase enzyme, special mitochondrial ribosomes, and the several copies of the mitochondrial DNA genome. These are the things important for ATP synthesis. The production of ATP is the most important function of the mitochondria. So students, this was all about the mitochondria. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.